Getting enough good quality sleep is very important for your health and energy. If you want to feel more awake and active during the day, follow these simple tips. First, create a regular sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps your body's internal clock stay steady. Second, make your bedroom a comfortable place for sleep. Keep the room dark, quiet, and cool. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask if needed. Avoid loud noises or use earplugs or white noise machines. Third, avoid screens before bedtime. The blue light from phones, computers, and TVs can stop your brain from making melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try to stop using screens at least 1 hour before bed. Fourth, watch what you eat and drink. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals late in the day. Also limit alcohol because it can interrupt your sleep cycle. Fifth, relax before sleep. Do calm activities like reading a book, listening to soft music, or practicing deep breathing. Avoid stressful or exciting activities. Sixth, exercise regularly but not too close to bedtime. Physical activity during the day helps improve sleep, but exercising right before bed can keep you awake. Finally, if you have trouble sleeping often, try to find the cause. Stress, health problems, or poor habits can affect sleep. If needed, talk to a doctor for advice. By following these steps, you can improve your sleep quality. Better sleep means more energy, better focus, and a healthier life. Try these tips tonight and see how your energy improves.